I'd like to show you now how to put a cookie bouquet together. We had the flowers that we made before. What I have is the daisy flower. You can make sunflowers, which would be the yellow petal, and then you put brown in the center, or you could make tulips, which I showed you how to make those as well. And we're going to package them now and put them into a flower pot for a gift. Okay, I've got a terracotta flower pot here that I'm going to use. You can use a real flower pot if you want, whatever you'd like to use. And I put a little tissue paper in there first, and then I put a piece of styrofoam inside, which you're going to put the cookie flour in there. Okay, we're going to use the larger of the two bags. Okay, I have the cello bag here that we're going to be using to put the flour in, the sugar cookie flour. And it's got a little pleat in the side. It's not a flat bag. I'm using the pleated bag. And you're going to carefully put the cookie, the daisy inside of it. What I suggest when you bake these cookies, being that they're on a stick, you want to just make sure that you bake them pretty good. Don't make them underbaked. Make sure that they really bake, because otherwise they'll fall off of the stick. And you're going to gather in the bottom here. This will protect the cookie. You're going to have a little clip that I'm using here. And I'm going to gather the cello on the bottom around the stick. And we're going to attach it. We're going to fold it around the back and then press it down so it closes the cookie. Next, I put the tissue paper inside with the cello. We're going to put this cookie in the middle into the inside of the styrofoam. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around the edges so it's a little neater to make a circular pattern here. Okay. We're going to cut that away so it's a little bit neater. And then what I like to do is I have shred. And to me, the green represents the grass. So you've got the cookie in the center, and you've got the tissue with the green grass.